Kyle's banning him from servers.
Yo, if Kyle banned me from a server, he's fucking cooked. I can end his fucking career.
Bro, this guy. I'm waiting on Hulu.
Hulu. Oh, he's on deaf. Alright, kill his phone.
Yeah.
You gonna kill us, Billy?
Okay, it was funny and now I'm just fucking bored. Cause it just reminds me of James, who is fucking weird.
That's exactly what I said.
What, for Libero?
Yeah.
Cause James is fucking in my DMs like, bro, I'm gonna kill
Yeah, Steve was
myself.
like, yo, you're just like Baker, you ignore me so much.
Yeah, bro. James was crashing out in my DMs. He's like, bro, I'm so tired. I'm just gonna kill myself. I was like,
Mom, why are
bro,
you
go
so far
talk to your
backwards?
fucking mom, you bum.
Because Rice can't make a good damn chat.
It's the
Yeah,
fact,
what did you go?
so the fact it moves on its own. What he really should have done is he should have made it where the jet was anchored until you turn your engine on.
I agree with that statement.
Hold up, but let me see. What internet am I running on?
That was
Oh,
the best
fuck
part.
me. Alright, give me a
Yo,
second.
I don't know how you didn't crack up
Ooh, get
during that
in.
voice call. I'm gonna be dead ass.
Alright, I'm getting in.
That was the
Nice one,
funniest
Merxy.
PC ever.
My bad, Huz. I had to
Go get the
switch my
7
internet.
jets on the other side of crowd.
Yeah,
What
sure.
happened?
I'm on fire.
Mercy.
Oh, fuck. Y'all also are screwed because Rice kind of blocked out y'all's way to taxi.
Yeah, fuck you.
Merxy, you're gonna have to taxi on the runway.
Oh, I'm gonna put it fucking inside of him. Okay,
Go get the
Kyle,
7
come
jet,
back.
Merxy.
Asians don't like that shit, bro.
Yeah, give me a second. I have to reconnect because every time I do my internet, it's gonna turn off.
Oh my god.
Or big. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah,
It's
that's
so
on YouTube,
fucking old,
buddy.
bro. You're
That's on
fucking
YouTube,
weird,
buddy.
dude. Get the fuck out.
You're a fucking pedophile, brother.
Like you, bro.
No, I
What is
actually
going
should
on?
just leave. Like, genuinely.
And just fucking get out of here.
You guys can start up. You don't have to wait for me.
No,
I should go
yeah,
outside and touch
actually.
grass.
You really should. Cause
Robin,
you
can
guys
you-
Motherfucker, aren't
Robin,
you
can
in
you screen
college,
share
you
for me?
fucking tart?
Robin, I could use a
What?
screen share, please. At least for the first 2 maneuvers.
A laggy
Huh?
one?
Robin, can I meet your mom?
What?
Is R6 home?
No, he's in Arizona.
God damn, bruh.
Yeah, that's sad, right? Pressing.
Bruh.
I'm sure. Where's
Bro.
everyone else? Do you not have year personnel?
No.
Is there like a
No, and
shortage
neither
or
does
something?
Snowbirds now anymore.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we're cooked. Everyone's cooked. Wraps.
There are the ladders. 2, 3, 4, 7. Stand by the
Is it
canopies.
Chick-fil-A?
Canopies down now. Altimeter 0 feet. Set your screens and we'll start taxing. I should have made this our 360 song.
I can just taxi
all.
out, honestly, because I'm on the other side now. So fuck you guys.
But I'm a bad liar. You ready, Cross? Okay. 1%.
Wait, what flare are we taking off? Oh yeah, semicolon.
Semicolon, but you don't need it.
Well, I want to use it because it would. Like,
It won't work for you.
why not?
Because it won't.
Well, that's gotta be
Big
racist.
monster.
Because the flare value on this jet is not right now. I need to go in and fix it.
Wait, Bomb, what happened to the realistic cockpit?
What, 2 days before the show? Rice was
Yeah, Rice
stubborn
said
and didn't
no.
add it
Oh.
because it was quote unquote imported.
Alright, give me 2 on the right wing.
Cross.
The current one is kind of...
Ass.
It's horrible.
Atrocious.
Adding power 2%.
Cause I'm a bad liar. Texting at
Tearing
52
at the seams. This would be a good taxi song as well.
Bro, we'd sound like we're emo.
Where's Shuggy?
He's not here.
Not home.
Oh.
Might
But
as well.
I trust him and Merxie at doing solos, so
Well, I wanted to work on stuff today in particular to actually lock in.
y'all have tomorrow.
Yeah, I hope so. I want someone to actually sit on the ground and tell me what I need to work on.
I'll do it.
It would just help because I haven't had that in a while, so I don't know. I
Well,
want
from
to
the last time y'all did a solo show with both of y'all, y'all didn't need any help because y'all's knife edge was just as good as it was at VR Fat. But
It's normal for them to keep their canopies up.
whose canopy is up?
Is my game broken or are your canopies up?
it's
You gotta
glitched.
leave and rejoin.
Coming
For
right.
me too. Knots and bombs canopies are up.
Yeah, just leave and rejoin. It'll be fine. Yeah, for me, every single one of their canopies is up, but I'm gonna have to suck it up.
I'm just hoping the weather stays like this.
I'll fuck you up too.
Ignore the lag you're gonna get.
It's fine. We're on the ground.
Oh, you just had a little bit of a lag spike.
Yeah, it's because he was leaving and rejoining.
So I was ready to rock.
We're gonna
Robin,
be like
did you fly
we're gonna be
last
lining up like right on line, okay? So we're gonna keep going a little bit cross. Coming right. Okay. Go fingertip.
Knots, what did you say?
I said, did y'all fly last night?
Last night?
No, he canceled.
Okay.
We flew later. Like we did solos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that's all you
Did you
did.
fly the jet though? Did you see how the throttle
Yeah,
felt?
we flew it. Yeah.
Okay.
It takes off a little faster.
Heading
now.
is 310. Ease and brakes 1%. Ease in the
What up?
brakes.
I'll tell you after this.
Heading is 309 on the line. Ease and brakes.
What I made it do is once you hit a certain amount of percent, your acceleration slows down.
Text lights on.
Knots, we'll talk after this practice.
Boss, those are for takeoff.
So I was ready to rock out Central Boss.
Boss. We're clear for takeoff. The winds are come. Check your park and brake off. Or sorry. The winds are 140 at 2. That's a right crosswind. Check your park and brake off. Check your trim check your nose. While steering on. Maneuver. Ask gauge. Left turn up.
Cross.
We go. Let's run it off for the Centro Airshow, boss.
Let's run them up 55. Also,
So
turn
are
your
we
flare
using
on.
flare?
Yep.
Okay.
Check marker sun rays. Let's go. Just when we start to lift, just let it lift, okay? And when we call gear, taxi lights are coming off as well, okay? So
Alright, gotcha.
on, off, brakes now. Burners ready now. Rotate.
Oh, I
We're
completely
gonna actually rotate.
I overshot. That's my bad.
Oh my god.
I'm
Gear.
not used to that.
Yeah, can we
Oh,
not do
shit.
this, like, ever?
Cross
again?
your hooks out, by the way.
Oh. Wait. Wrong button.
Up we go.
So, this
A
is
little
not
more
ideal.
pull. Ease and power 54. Ease and power 53. Ease and power 52. Burners ready now. Come on, ease right.
Dude, now your gears are bugged, bro. Oh my god. Your launch bar is out for some reason.
Just leave and rejoin real quick, Robin. Okay. Ease and low pull. Comes a
Stand by
little
leg.
pole.
Stand by
Oh.
leg.
It's okay.
There you go.
Adding power 53. Use the make rolling out. Up we go. A little more pull. No, it's come in a little bit. Come forward a little bit. Ease and power 51. Ease and power 50. A little more pull. A little more pull. Stand by the boards. Boards. Ease and a little pull. Ease and a little more pull.
Yeah.
Ease and a little more pull. Smoke off. Forwards up. Cross too tight. Adding power 52. I'm
The
left.
jet was more sensitive.
Because you have flaring on, that's why it is. Also, you've gotten used to flying snowbirds, which is more sensitive. And you have to match bank when the flare is on. If you don't, you're gonna be screwed. Eventually, I'm gonna try and get the jet fixed to where the flare is just automatic.
Oh my god, my game.
Use the bank roll and it out.
You good, Cross?
Cross, you good?
Game turned into a slideshow temporarily.
We're behind the crowd for the Diamond 360.
Cross.
Little pull.
We good. Let's take it in.
We're a little bit nose up.
Let me know when
Oh
you're
yeah,
ready.
this is gonna be shaky as fuck.
And left. Coming further left.
Cross.
Coming
Not.
further left.
We good.
No, it's the same damn thing. It's literally the same thing. The bank is set. We're in 360.
Cross.
Not.
We good.
Cross raise out to and come out a little bit. Forward a little bit as well. Smoke on. Little pull. Little more pull. Smoke. Off. Ease the bank rolling out. Easing a little pull.
Let's use it out.
Cross clear.
That's good.
We good.
Diamond clear. Flare off now. Coming left. Coming fair left. Adding power 54. Little pull. Adding power 55. Adding power 56. We're gonna left turn for the diamond roll.
Cross.
Not.
We good.
Cross your little forward. Right there. Dots go out a little bit and come forward a little bit.
Right there.
Yep, ease the make rolling out.
Where's my
The
music?
diamond roll.
Cross.
Not.
We good. Let's take it in.
Whoa.
Smoke. On. Up we go. A little more pull. Okay. Don't tighten in. Don't tighten in. Don't tighten in. Little pull. Smooth with the roll cross. Use the bank rolling it out. Smoke off. Coming left. 2 forward cross. Your little forward. There we go. Little pole. Notch, you had it and you went out of it. Right
Yeah,
there.
I'm sorry, I'm doing something.
We're in a left turn for the diamond on roll.
Cross.
No, it's
Rico.
Adding power 58. Little pull. Using the bank, rolling it out. The diamond on roll. Little push.
Rico.
Fuck.
Soak on.
Let's ease it out to half clear.
A little pull. Ready, hit it. Smoke off. Coming right.
Second in.
Using power 56. How was it, Robin?
It was pretty good.
Was timing on or no?
I got a shot and it shows your guys' timings.
Okay, good. Merksy, be a little slow.
Oh, look out on 40.
Diamond.
Use the
Forgot to say
bank
that.
rolling out, boss. We're behind the crowd for the 30 loop.
Cross.
Rico.
Let's drop the hooks. Using power 50. Stem of the gear, stem of the text sites.
Slow down.
Using power 46. Coming right. Almost nuts.
yeah,
Robin, can you see our taxi light from here?
yeah, I
I'm
probably
viewing
can.
you guys. I'm viewing
It's
you
an
guys.
image. It's an image label, so you can
Yeah,
see it
you
as far
can-
as you can.
See it like glowing inside of the jet. Like there's a little glow.
We're in a right turn for the dirty loop.
Cross.
Rico.
Use the bank rolling out the dirty loop.
Cross.
Rico.
Are your gears out?
Yep.
Oh yeah, they're like bugged again.
It's okay. Don't leave and rejoin. It's fine.
I'll just get some like
Just
top
get somewhere you don't see the gear.
Yeah.
Up we go. A little more pull. Burners ready now. A little more pull. Ease and power 45. Ease and power 44. Ease and power 43. Burners ready now. Little more pull. Little more pull. Stand by the boards. Boards. A little more pull. Adding power 44. Adding power 45.
Feeling cooler air?
Sorry, someone walked in my room. Some of the gear, some of the hook, some of the text lights, some of the boards. Coming right. Coming further right. Very good, guys. Very good to stay with it while I was doing it. Adding power 50.
Do I have to take photos of Merksy?
Yeah, I would prefer if you did. Easy make rolling out.
It's kind of lonely right now.
I am. I just
Adding
hit the
power
only friend
55.
I have.
Power set coming left.
Sorry. 4 stack.
Hulu, remember what I told you, okay?
Yeah.
If you're going to be farther back, you're going to have to be more into the middle, okay?
Yeah.
Wings, let's hold this reference on show day, okay?
Gotcha.
Alright.
Notch your little forward. Like half a wingtip. We're in a left turn for the double Farvel. Boss never checks sweep on sun.
Rico pumps on.
We're right at the crowd for the double fireball.
Cross.
Not.
Rico.
Oh, my bad. We hit turbulence.
Yeah, these jets are a little bit bouncy today. I don't know why.
Adding power 57.
Why are you doing these
That's
2%
just
power
the
changes
truth.
now? I don't like it.
Because I'm also focusing on other stuff. Cross.
Okay, bro.
Ease the make roll and out the double fireball.
Cross.
Not.
Rico.
Hulu was the best choice we ever made for slot. Let's ease it out.
I was way too fast on my.
Boss is set 371. Ready, hit it.
Smoke on, take it in.
Did you get it, Hulu?
Yep.
Yeah. Not too tight, Cross. Right there, Cross. Yep, good. Get a picture of this, Robin, please. Center point push. No. Not Cross, ease back some. Ready, break.
Roll.
What do you want me
Rolling
to do?
out. Smoke
Because
off.
I don't feel like doing OMRT.
Oh, that was a
Ease
good ass fucking double
Power
fireball.
55. Coming left.
I got the
You
most
should've
perfect
delectable.
break picture ever. I got the break.
Nice rejoin, Hulu.
Appreciate him.
Moment you moan it, you better never let it go.
55, correct, boss?
Ease and power 54. Yes. 5-4 now. This one we're not going to do a flare on.
Shoot guy diamond.
Boss. 5-4, 3-5-1, Mo. Ease the bank, rolling it out. We're behind the crowd for the fan break.
Cross.
No, I'll take this maneuver.
Rico.
Oh, right echelon.
Holy
Not
fuck,
your
she just
clear,
sent me
buddy.
30 trillion videos.
Dude.
I heard it.
Bro, what do you
heard
mean dead
every
ass,
single
bro?
one.
Dude, I've been snapping her this whole
Left.
time.
Coming further left. Coming further left. Coming further left. A little pole.
Okay, chat. I'm gonna go and mute myself.
So sorry, Rico.
The bank is set. We're in fan break.
Cross.
Not.
Rico.
Music the moment you want it, you better never let it
Oh,
go.
I'm trying to lock it
Smoke.
up, please.
On. Knots come forward a little bit. Right there, boys. Knots come forward a little bit. Ease bank rolling out. Cross, I like the depth you have there.
Noted.
Oh, diamond. Smoke off.
That might have been
Okay.
your best fan break.
Knots was
Diamond.
slightly back. It was one of my
Really
best
steady.
lines for fan break, dude. I
I
didn't
got a
move.
really good picture.
I felt
You got
really
diamond.
steady.
Oh my
Guys,
god, I'm bouncy after that one,
You're
dude.
good. You're good.
Dude.
Lock back in. Damn, it's not.
Oh shit, I forgot. Diamond.
Boss.
It's maneuver.
Adding power 55. Adding power 56. You're welcome, Cross. He's the make run out.
Thank you.
Is Echelon next? Oh, fuck. No, please, please don't.
Yeah, we got the hard stuff now. Ease and power 54. Ease and power 52. Common right. Go left echelon.
Pretty flash, you fucking dog.
You're clear.
Cross.
We're in a right turn for the left echelon roll.
Cross.
Not.
Rico.
Ease and power 50. Hulu, more forward than you think, okay?
Really? 2-4.
Ease in the bank.
goodness.
Rolling it out. The left echelon roll.
Cross.
Not.
Rico.
Very slow roll out. A little faster roll. Smoke. On. Up we go. A little more pull. A little more pull. We're going to be pulling a lot through this roll. Okay. Sometimes a little pull. Ease and a little pull. Ease of the bank, roll and out. Smoke off. Go down. Hey, well, I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle.
Okay.
Adding power, 55.
Bomb, that was perfect.
Yeah, all y'all were. And this diamond's looking perfect right now. I love it. You and Knots are holding the same reference, and Hulu's right on it too. I love it.
I love you, baby girl.
This is the best
Okay.
VRBA training.
Wait, I gotta pull my balls real quick.
What?
What? Yeah, that's going on YouTube, by the way.
W.
Go ahead, bro. Like, I'm trying
Boss.
to fucking play in jeans, bro.
Fucking chat.
I'm in jeans, bro. I'm in pajamas.
Fucking mom.
I'm in my comfy, womfy pajamas.
Start calling you Blueberry.
I want this to be the clouds for the actual show. We're
So it's
right
like
at the crowd for the Atlanta Breast Loop.
Bob Cross.
Rico.
I'm in further left. Ease and power, 54.
Sorry about that.
While I'm doing this, ease and power, 53. Ease and power, 52.
When do I go like this one?
Y'all doing flat pass?
Oh, nope. Give me a second. I gotta lock in real quick.
Knots, bro.
I'm fucking with y'all. See
Go
y'all.
Atlanta Breast, smoke on.
Y'all have fun with that one.
We won't. Bomb.
Tell me where I'm at, Bomb. I need your help.
Bomb, is this good?
Left, we need to move up.
I got you.
No, now you're good. Okay.
well,
Oh no.
we're just doing
It's
flat
fucking
pass.
gay.
Really good. Hulu, push up a tiny bit.
Okay,
Oh, I'm singer.
Alright,
What was
yeah.
wrong with it?
It was a little off. Like, they're too eased out.
Boss, you got diamond.
Boss, smoke off. Coming left. I trust y'all to do barrel roll break. Give me a second. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'm not going to. Jesus. I'm not going
I
to.
don't think he's going to.
I
don't
trust
think he
y'all doing
wants
barrel
to.
roll break. I trust y'all doing vertical break.
You say one thing about me, bro. I swear to God.
I trust y'all doing low break cross.
Cross?
me.
Let's do tuck under break.
Oh man.
Let's do tuck under break and be done. Go ahead and go left echelon. Yeah.
Can I leave now?
Check
Or?
off, Steve.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Please
Oh.
crash your plane.
Track all.
Gladly do that for you.
Where the fuck did Nick
Look,
go?
VRBA
Oh, I was so happy I was gonna kill his ass.
Adding power 60 real quick.
Jesus, what are we doing? The fucking
Getting over there. Because my parents want to go out to eat, and I have to get
Where are you
I have
going?
myself a shower as well. I don't know.
Are you gonna
Texas
be back?
Roadhouse. I bet it's Texas Roadhouse.
Honestly, I kind of want some.
Wait, are you
What?
gonna be
Texas
back?
Roadhouse?
Yes.
Texas
Wait,
Road.
Dude, I went there, dude. I went there like last week, bro. It's so good, bro.
Using power 54.
Wait, what
Holy
about
power.
Star?
Perfect cross.
Probably
Kinda.
Hooters.
Mom, are you gonna be home in time? Or
Yeah.
Alright.
That's why I'm trying to hurry this up.
Dude, what are we doing, Cross?
It's not that deep.
Not playing.
We should be.
You guys are cooking so hard.
Yeah, I love having a diamond where I can do a left turn and left echelon and y'all hold it.
We fucking
I'm not
hate
holding
for it,
shit. I
though.
hope you know that, buddy.
We all hate you.
Yeah.
Also,
there's-
Y'all,
we
not
tested
you
20
not
traits.
holding it is barely moving. A little pull.
Monkey.
About everyone was off timing for aileron roll, except for Cross. He was pretty close.
Kill
Left
yourself.
turn for the tuck and a break.
Bob Ross.
No, it's
Asian and
Jesus.
blacks? What?
Needs to make roll out. Oh my god, hail to the king for this as well.
That's
Oh,
right.
no,
I'm gonna fucking crash.
not.
I'm just trying to get this done, guys.
Evidently.
Okay, lock in now. Smoke on. Up we go. A little
Nice.
more pull.
Oh,
Don't worry about that.
Center point,
Rob,
boss
you
break.
got that picture?
Crossbreak.
That's break.
Break it.
Notch, you're the one screwing it up, bro.
Because I want zoomed out. I couldn't even see where
Oh,
Cross went.
Demon, go break.
No, look at media before you go. I
That's
want
what I'm
you to-
doing. I'm also looking to see what Rocket said.